Creating a savings account on NatWest is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go to the webpage natwestinternational.com. Now scroll down the page. Here, click on See Our Savings Products. Next, a new page opens. Here you can compare different saving plans. Tap to open Instant Access Savings Account. So you can see the number of savings accounts and likewise compare them. Some of the savings accounts are Digital Regular Saver, Fixed Term Saving, Fixed Rate ISA, Flexible Saver, Cash ISA, NatWest Invest, and First Saver account. Here, as far as Digital Regular Saver is concerned, click to view more. Next, tap on Continue and Apply. Important topics covered in this page are savings account terms, savings account rates including information sheet and FSCS information sheet. Scroll down the page further, then click Continue. So give an answer to the question asked and click on Next. Next, answer to the question if you have online banking. In order to let your application get started, make sure you are a current account customer. You must be age 16 and over and a UK resident. Last but not least, you must log in using your NatWest online banking details. Then click on Start Your Application. So you have to verify who you are. For this, you must enter your customer number. Finally, as you see, your savings account has been created.